This wasn't meant to be a restoration video. This is probably just gonna end up in random clips, but Swami Spirit Ball. I don't know what year this one exactly is. Here's a box for it. Box is 2005 on like all of them. It was 70 bucks. Crystal Ball Butler, it says. So, getting the headpiece out here to replace the split gear and the floating. Sorry, can't really see what I'm doing. There we go. So, yeah, take those pins out right there. These could be a pain to fix. Getting the mechanism out in the first place if you're fixing the floating, but also there's so much wiring. It's so easy for wires to pull off and whatnot. But, yeah, hopefully everything goes all right. Also, for those of you who don't know, you could replace the gear without taking this mechanism apart. I just figured that out myself. This screw right here is stripped, of course, because as if these aren't difficult enough to repair, that made it worse. So I got every screw out but that one. So I took the motor out. You have to take the little wheel off the motor shaft, unscrew the motor, and then the motor comes right out. But the motor shaft gear is right there at the very end. So what I did was because it was already split, I pried this up and it came right off the gear. And then very delicately, because it fell in for me once, I just held the gear, I held the gear right there with a little screwdriver, and because it's so close to that top shaft right there, I just was able to hold it into place and then push this back in, if that makes sense. Hopefully it does, but yeah.
So $100? Or do you think it's 50 bucks too?
I don't know. That's cool. They have Christmas stuff out over there. Yeah, it's not the usual Big Lots Halloween, but it's something.
Look, what's on the porch?
Oh, those zombie. They got the Home Depot trick-or-treaters too. Oh, look at this house up here.
Oh, look.
Oh man, they got that super rare techie pop-up zombie in the back. Oh, and that thing's outside. No, bring it in. I wonder if it works. Put stuff in the storage units. I just got him on Marketplace. I didn't even test him. The guy sent me a video of it. It does work, but I'm not gonna take him home. Got Vigor in there. Yeah. Got this today at Big Lots. Okay, here's the other unit. All this stuff will be, not all of it coming out soon, but some of it will be for when we decorate the restaurant. Yeah. I didn't decorate them all this year, so these won't be used. The base actually got like rotted on this one, so I had to take the base off of it. Yeah.
Black cat.
Oh, look at them.
Look.
Nice.
Oh, look, they have the scarecrow with the baby.
Cool. They got the old Big Lots scare. This is a small CVS. They only have 2 of these. Oh. Oh, that one. Batteries are dead in that one. Let's see if this one works. Rip off, but I'm still gonna buy it. Oh, he just lights up red. It's so bright in here, you can barely tell. Yeah, this is a small one, so they don't have a lot of stuff. This is it. These are $4. Oh, he's supposed to go on. $50 for a full mold. Here's the. I like the bat. What is this thing? It's a monster. The puppy's cool.
It's cute. I like the turkey.
That's a what? A chipmunk or a squirrel?
Yeah, but the turkey behind them.
Look at the cat as a mummy. You see him? Turkey, gator. Gators. Odd. Here's the boxes. I like this one. I don't think they have them. Yeah, they don't put them all on display. Only some. I like the candy corn. Oh wait, they do have the ghost on display. I walk right. Oh, and the candy corn. So maybe they do have them all up. I like the candy corn a lot. Pumpkins are cool too.
Look, they have the skeletons up too.
The
Here,
DJ.
ready? Oh my god, he's working.
I can hear him here.
That's awesome.
Yeah, that's cool. Cool. Got the dagger mic on. And spikes. That's the Mrs. Claus. I don't know where. It's probably here. Yeah. The head. Come on. What the fuck? It's cool. So, this is a relatively simple mechanism. I got this piece attached. This is the broken store display that was discounted. So when this is down all the way, this mechanism lowers it. This mechanism, it doesn't even release it. All it does is that lever right there moves out and it pushes this pin in, and when that's pushed in, it pops out. Excuse me. Very simple mechanism.